As always, thanks for stopping in and checking this out. So here in Austin, I do a lot of work for, a bunch of different realtors. So I'll get a call or an email or a text saying, hey, Richard, I got an opener at a property. I want you to install. It's already there. Go and install whatever opener that they have picked up from the retail setting, and in and out, no problem. Bill them, cha-ching, good to go. Sometimes you get these jobs you roll into and you're like, what the You get the key out of the lockbox, you open the front door, go to the garage, it's all vacant, kind of spooky. Get into the garage and voila, you run into a nightmare. Not necessarily a nightmare, but just not what you expected. So here is one scenario that I ran into here recently. So come on, let's check this out. All right, we are at the door. Let's go in here and see what's up. Oh, boom. Well, right there's the opener. No biggie. Awesome machine. Super quiet. However, the door is missing a couple components. Horizontal tracks. And, as we can see, we got that drum. It's all smashed up against the ceiling. No big deal. You gotta do that sometimes. But as we get over here, they had to cut up the ceiling to get that drum to fit. This piece here isn't really quite attached, but if I push that up there, it really doesn't make any kind of difference. There we go, see? So yeah, there's real limited space for an opener. And it looks like the bearing brackets, they had them set for like a 12-inch radius track. So I brought some different type of tracking to put in here to get us down and able to put up an opener. We got a nice plug in the ceiling. Looks like we got some party lights in here. So once everything's all hooked up, and we can have like a disco. Yeah, that's a scenario. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the rest of my tools and I'm gonna get cracking. So let's get after this. All right, so I took out some panels, cut down the vert tracks, got the laser level all set up. So I got the line at the top of the flag bracket there. If we come on down, you can see right there, this one needs to go up just a little bit. Not a whole lot, but before I stick it, I'm gonna pull it up just a little bit. It's definitely pretty close. But right there is what I'm gonna put on this dog. You all know what that is? For those of you that don't, this is a low headroom track. So this is gonna give us plenty of room to mount an opener and no worries. Got the vert tracks all lagged up right there. Yeah, so as I was, cutting the tracks, because they gave me just regular 7-foot high tracks, so I cut them down. Zip, zip, zzz. I had to use the grinder to do that. It's an awesome tool to use to cut off vert tracks or any tracking. But my battery died, so I went out to my van to look for this guy, and it was not in there. Stupid me forgot it at the job Friday, and it was 40 minutes away. So I had to stop what I was doing and
go 40 minutes and retrieve that darn battery charger. So
back at it and getting ready to put up these horizontal tracks. All right, there we go. We got the horizontal tracks up, the low headroom, spring mounted. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang the tracks. See, I got that nice line on the ceiling. I'm gonna put the pieces on the ceiling right there and hang the back of the track and then wind up the spring. Yeah, I'm going to keep talking about this laser level. So, obviously you can see the piece on the ceiling. You can get accuracy that way. And then you got to drill holes in the tracks for the drops. Right there's your laser line. Get you one. There we go, the door is open. I measured it so that way, it just fell right underneath the party lights. Yeah, you can see the light's really close. Not really close, but close enough.
Hey, like my good friend Santiago at SOS.
Hey, party people. We missed the party lights. Yes, sir. So I measured it out so the door would fall underneath that guy. Because they're mounted there for a reason, I don't know. You just make the door fit. Booyah! All right, there we have it. All done, finally. You can see the opener. So we got a model 7155L. And that's got the built-in LED lights. You just kind of see right there the LEDs. Well, let's give it a test drive. Not too bad. I didn't have to use the straight arm on the opener, just the curved portion. Worked out perfect. Put a strut on it because there wasn't one on there before. Got the safety sensors mounted out of the way of the bottom fixture.
Right on.
And it's got the nice battery backup. So yeah, putting the low headroom tracks on there allowed me to, put an opener in pretty easy. Bingo. All right, well, thanks for checking this out, guys. Really appreciate all your support. We'll talk at you soon. Peace out. Woo!